Australia is a beautiful place. We have access to rivers and forests right at our doorstep. But these are disappearing more and more as we strive to provide electricity for industry and entertainment in the cities where we live. It takes power to communicate and stay in touch, to cook, to play, and to get around. There seems an unending need for more and more electricity, and that comes at a price to our environment. Thankfully, we are slowly getting smarter. Wind power accounted for 6% of Australia's electrical energy production in 2017, and solar was only at 4%. Now it's your turn. It's never been easy for you to be part of the solution. When you connect solar power to your home, you're not just saving money, you're preserving our future.